I 100% agree. So, in my mind, the key is not to allow AI to replace human creativity
Mm-hmm.
and interaction. While AI can enhance efficiency, it should not diminish interpersonal relationships and emotional engagement in the workplace. Like you said, we need that human to human interaction. You know, human emotions, intuition, and personal, uh, I would say, connections, these abilities that are unique to individuals. Just like even how to react in a moment of silence. It's a very different feeling when you're communicating with a human, you're interacting with a human, and you can sense the cues. You can sense that there's something a little different about a person that impacts how you interpret what they're saying and the meaning of the conversation, which, no artificial tool can do
Mm-hmm.
on the level of a human. And then I say draw a line with decision making. It should not be abandoned to AI. AI should not make important life changing decisions. It's even being mindful of how you use an AI prompt.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you should go in and say, should I, to AI.
Yeah.
To use it to gather information to inform you, to help you make an important decision is one thing. But we need to know what should be AI and what should be human.
Mm-hmm.
It's one thing to know what AI can do, but you need to ask the question, should it? So it's important to strike that balance, between using AI as a productivity tool and what is human and what it means for us to be in a state of well-being as humans. Because, technology, if you rely on it too much, you aren't involved. You're not using your talents, your skills, and it can take you to this point of isolation, which isn't healthy.
Yeah, I agree. And I see you like to keep these human connections, even if you, probably in your work when you are coaching and in your
Yes.
mentorship.